spacious and nice living area, I must say. Beautiful and nice kitchenette area and very nice looking master bedroom, I must say. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Mana Jardineo by Mana project, which is located at off Sarjapur Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So we are here for a 4 BHK sample flat tour, but we will let you know a lot in detail about this project. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies, whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developers, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. So talking about the project overview of Mana Jardineo, that is by Mana project. So it is spread across 2.5 acres, and like I said, it is located at off Sarjapur Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore, and available in 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 4 BHK penthouse and 5 BHK penthouse. Talking about the connectivities to this project, that is Mana Jardineo by Mana projects. The Wipro Limited is just 5 minutes away from this space, and also Sarjapur Road is just 5 minutes away from this space, and also all our tech favorite Bellandur IT Park is also just 25 minutes drive from this location. And talking about the amenities, it has to offer you many amenities which includes amphitheater, swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area and many more. Right now we are standing outside 4 BHK sample flat of Mana projects, which is Mana Jardineo, and it is located at off Sarjapur Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So this is of 3,300 square feet, and like I said, it's a 4 BHK sample flat. Come, let's have a look at the flat. As soon as you enter the flat, you can already see quite ample entry space, I must say, and this can also be used as the area where you just make your guests sit and all of that, because it's quite spacious, and also there is half or partially slidable windows right there. And continuing or moving forward from the entry space, you can already see entry space in itself is quite spacious, and that leads us to the living area. But before that, let us have a look at the balcony, which is in the living area. Wow, this is really spacious and quite nice, I must say. And as you can already witness, it's the wooden flooring in the balcony area, and it's quite apt for your morning coffees and evening chais. So come now, let's have a look at the living area. So the exit of the balcony, and to my right, like you can see, you can already witness a quite spacious and nice living area, I must say. As you can see, there's sofa space right here, and opposite to that there is TV space, and also there are some units which you can customize it as per your needs. So this was the living area, and right diagonal to that I have the kitchenette area. So let's have a look at the kitchenette area. So as we continue to go further, we have the dining area, which we will find right diagonal to the living area, and it's quite spacious and nice, I must say. As you can see, I'm easily able to walk around the dining area, it's that spacious. So continue to that, right opposite to that, we have the kitchenette area, and there's also some space here which you can use it as crockery units, and also you can design it as per your needs. And this leads me to a very beautiful and nice kitchenette area. As you can see, there is ample space for your slabs and everything, and also there is a lot of spaces right here which you can easily use as the storage space. And right next to that I have a refrigerator space, which is also quite spacious, I must say, and the whole unit is quite spacious, and you can design it as per your needs. And right next to the kitchenette area I have the utility space. Let's quickly give a look at the utility space. So this is the utility space, and it is also quite spacious and nice, I must say. So that leaves me to the exit of kitchenette area. Now let's have a look at the bedroom space. So going forward from the kitchenette area, I'll have to pass through the living area in order to reach my first bedroom. So let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. So this is the bedroom number 1. Very spacious and very nice, I must say. As you can see, you can easily accommodate your queen size bed, and right opposite to the bed space I have the wardrobe space, and that is also quite spacious, I must say. And right opposite to the bed space I also have partially slidable windows, and right opposite to the bed space I have an attached bathroom to the bedroom number 1, which contains a really good and high quality sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So with the exit of that is the exit of bedroom number 1, and that leads us to a common washroom which is right opposite to the bedroom number 1, and this also consists of high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So that leads us to the exit of the common washroom and the entrance of bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 2. It is right next to the bedroom number 1, and this also has an attached washroom with high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. And also this bedroom is also quite spacious. As you can see, it has a good ample space around the bed, and you can use the space next to bed as the lamp space, and also there is quite a good bed space, I must say. You can easily accommodate your queen size bed, and opposite to the bed space there is wardrobe space or closet space, which is also quite spacious. And right opposite to the bed space I also have partially slidable windows. So that leaves us to the exit of bedroom number 2, and before that let's not forget there's also a small space right here which you can use as a reading or working space. So this leads us to the exit of bedroom number 2, which gives us to the entrance of bedroom number 3. As you can see, this is right opposite to the bedroom number 2. So this is the entry to the bedroom number 3, and this is also quite spacious, and this room can easily accommodate your king size bed, and alongside you also have good space around the bed where you can easily walk around. It is that spacious, and also you can keep your table side lamp and everything because it's that spacious. And right opposite to that I have a good space for wardrobe, and also right opposite to that I have partially slidable windows. So as far as now we have seen, all 3 bedrooms have partially slidable windows, and this also has an attached washroom, so which consists of anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So that leads us to the exit of bedroom number 3, which leads us to the entry of bedroom number 4, that is master bedroom. But before showing you the master bedroom, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you actual location tours. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you full inclusive pricing that includes EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, in Housey, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, you would like to book your free site visit today, then simply by 3 simple clicks, by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below, you can book your free site. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. So now let's have a look at the master bedroom. So as I enter, I can already see wooden flooring, which gives the luxury feeling to the room. And as soon as we enter, we have an attached washroom to the master bedroom, which consists of anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So as soon as we exit the washroom that's attached to bedroom number 4, that is master bedroom, I have a really spacious and very nice looking master bedroom. I must say this is so spacious that I can easily able to walk around the room with no hassle, and it's really quite nice. Even after accommodating your table side lamp, there will be so much amount of space. That's why the people have designed the sample flat in such a way where they have accommodated a big sofa, and even after that it's quite spacious. And right opposite to the bed space, I have the unit space and as well as the TV space, which you can design as per your needs. And also right next to that, I have a very nice and spacious workspace or reading space which you can alter or design as per your needs. And right next to that, all women's favorite closet space is right here, and also it's like a walk-in closet setup. As you can see, this is also quite spacious. There is good amount of space here as well, to my right as well as left. So while we continue to come outside the closet space, I can already see a balcony space right here. This has wooden textured flooring and very good for your evening chilling time or lounging time, and quite spacious. As you can see, I'm easily able to walk around the balcony. So that leads me to the exit of bedroom number 4, that is the master bedroom. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Mana Projects, that is Mana Jordan Neo, and it is located off Sarjapur Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore. Like I said, if at all you like this site, then you can come visit this site for free. But before that, you need to be registered to Housey.com, and also you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.com.
So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Mana Jordan Neo, located in off Sarjapur, Bangalore by Mana Project.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.